My name is Tyler. I am an auto glass technician at Defender Auto Glass. Everywhere was hiring at that point, and that was in 2020. It was literally right before the pandemic, so that's how I really got in. Just working on cars is really cool. Honestly, I had no car experience before getting into this, but it's fun. It's like a puzzle, taking cars apart and putting them back in. It's also, it's very satisfying to me to do this work and do a good job on people's cars and make it look like it was never even touched before. I didn't even realize that glass was its own, almost like department of fixing cars and stuff like that. I didn't realize that this was like completely different companies and stuff like that doing that. So I think if just people knew that like this was something that they could get into, and then also it being a mobile job, especially for like younger generation. I know for me, sitting in an office all day or being in one place at a time would be really hard for me. Doing this, I get to travel. I'm not in one spot all day, so my day is constantly moving. Every single day is different. I'm not doing the same thing every day. It's almost like an adventure in a way. So I think that would be a really good selling point for anybody who didn't even know anything about this. You actually have like human interaction. And this company looks out for their employees, as to where, I don't know for other smaller companies, but I know for that huge giant of a company, you're just a number to them for any of their employees. And if you don't meet their certain percentages, even with my training process, I felt like I was thrown to the wolves in a sense, and was talked to by managers, was given punishments for making early mistakes that everybody makes. But just for them, it's money lost, and that's all they really care about. Here, it's a completely different story. It's our managers and our upper management and stuff like that definitely care for their employees. I know on numerous situations with myself that CJ and Rich have stepped out of their way and have done something when I really needed it. So this place looks out for you, and especially for customers that come in, you get to talk to somebody on the phone. Everything is automated nowadays. You can talk to us, you can talk to your technicians when we get there, and it's just having that connection with another person, I think, is what really sets us apart nowadays. I would say just anybody who, employees, customers, upper management, people with higher positions, here you don't feel like there's anybody really above you. Everybody is treated with the same respect and camaraderie, basically. It's just it's a big family here, and we look out for everybody. We look out for our employees, and we look out for our customers too. So I think that's just a huge thing, is the respect and that just feeling of family or friends.